Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This one's called the Beach Bomb from IJoy. Again, it's only I'm only doing an unboxing today. I will be doing a later review of the unit and let you guys know what I think about it, what I think about the sound, and we'll put it up to the waterproofing. All right, we'll do a test and make sure it's fully waterproof. As you can see, really nice packaging. So let's get into it. You can see the branding right here, IJoy waterproof Bluetooth speaker, and this one's called the Beach Bomb. As you can see, it's on the beach being plastered by water. You got the Bluetooth symbol down here, and you have the waterproof class IP66 rating claim on the box here on the front. We'll go around the packaging here. Again, waterproof Bluetooth speaker, Beach Bomb. It says military grade shockproof. All right, so we will test it out. We'll see if it's actually military grade shockproof. I'll put it through its tests. If we look on the back here, you see waterproof Bluetooth speaker again, Beach Bomb, waterproof IP66, protected against heavy seas or powerful jets of water. So that's really cool. If it holds up, that's going to be a really cool speaker to have on the beach. You know, you don't really have to worry about taking it in the water or whatever, or having it by the pool. Functions, built-in microphone, music control, aux-in, hands-free calls, and USB. Specification, speaker 3 watts by 2. Battery is 2,000 milliamps. Charging time is 4.5 hours. Playing time is 4 to 6 hours. And the size is 188 times 40 times 80 millimeters. All right, and we have the barcode down here. So let's get into the packaging here. Here's my knife. I need to get another knife because this is a little wobbly here. All right, so we'll open this up real quick, and you can see it's got a nice display inside. So once you open up the package, you can see the full speaker here in like this little clear plastic window, and you also have all these colors here. This one is the indigo, but you have mint, you have lemon, you have flame, you have indigo, violet, and marine. So you have 6 colors to choose from on the speaker. All right, so we'll open this bad boy up. Actually, no. We'll just, I don't know what that tape is doing there, but it's not really holding anything on. Oh, there we go. Got that. Flip that open. That too. All right. So let's get to the speaker. It's got like a foam insert. It's pretty cool. Here's the actual speaker. I'm going to see what's in the box first, and then we'll actually go over the speaker. All right, so we'll take the foam out. It's got this little covering here, and it looks like we have a carabiner in there. It's also got a USB, but I want to see what the other connection is on the other end. All right, so it's micro USB. It's pretty disappointing. Everything's going USB-C. I wish it was USB-C, but it's not. It's not really a deal breaker, but I'd rather see USB-C because everything's using it. So it's just nice to have, a single cable that you can carry around with all your devices and stuff. But whatever. You can't have it all. And you also have an auxiliary cable in here. Like I said, you have a carabiner to hook up to the speaker. And inside here we have looks like the manual. Check that out. Look on the back. It has all the directions to pair, charging the speaker, package contents, speaker, user manual, USB to micro USB cable, and 3.5 millimeter audio cable, which is the auxiliary cable. All right, so let's go over the speaker real quick. So all the way around, it's got like this rubbery, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's nice and rubbery. So if you drop this thing is going to break, which is very nice. But if you look at the top, you have the power, you have the left, right. This is probably to skip songs. The volume down, volume up, and also the call and play button here. All right, so really cool. And we'll see how much charge it has. See if we can turn this on. Doesn't look like it's any juice. So I'll have to charge it up. But like I said, this is a quick unboxing video. It's not going to be a review. I'll do the full review in another video. So stick around and stay tuned. All right, but until next time, thanks for watching. And hit subscribe, hit like if you liked the video, and hit the little bell for future video notifications. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.